up, everybody? I got a new video for you guys. This is a video to tell you to upgrade the fuse down here in the fuse box by the kick panel. If your power mirrors stop working, where your mirrors here stop working, your power mirrors, the auto dimming of the mirror, which that one is the auto dimming of the mirror, and also the power seat position. This stops working, the power seat position. Also the seat memory stops working here, and the windshield washer stops working, so it'll stop shooting fluid onto the windshield. So what it does is that what's going on here is that what happens is that when you put fluid, when you put fluid in the washer wipers, what it does is that, especially in areas where it's really cold, what would happen is that the windshield washing fluid would freeze, and then it will cause the fuse to blow for the windshield washer fluid. So what the fuse is, it's a 7.5. So what they want you to do is to upgrade, the manufacturer wants you to upgrade the fuse to a 10 in order for it to work. And the people that live in hot areas, you don't have to worry about doing this. But for the people that live in cold areas where it does get cold, and make sure when you use windshield washer fluid that it's windshield washer fluid that doesn't freeze. So what it'll do, it'll freeze, and then it'll overheat the motor, and then the motor will blow the fuse. And that one fuse is connected to all those different things. It's connected to the power mirrors, the auto dimming mirrors, the power seat position, memory, and the windshield washers. So if those things don't work, check this fuse. Okay, it's a number 20 fuse under the dash. Okay, so it shows. Let me get a better angle for you guys. As you can see, they show you the numbers on them. So it would be the number 20 fuse. So this is a 28. I'm trying to get a good view for you guys. Gotta move this wire. Yeah, so it would be this fuse here, this 7.5. They want you to upgrade this to a 10. So what I'm gonna do is grab a mini 10 fuse and swap this over, swap it over to a 10, and then I'm gonna catch back the video for you guys to upgrade it. All right, so what I did was I pulled the number 20 fuse. I just used a pair of pliers, just pulled it out. The number 20 fuse, just pulled it out. Okay, I have a 10 fuse here that I have, because I carry a whole bunch of mini fuses. Or if you don't have, you can always go to let me focus this. You can always go to AutoZone and pick up size 10, the mini fuses that you can have. So right now what I did was I just upgraded the fuse, the amperage for the windshield washer, so I don't have to worry about it blowing again because of that. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is a simple, easy thing to do, and it'll stop your car from the windshield wipers washers not working. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Peace.